Imagine a farm where instead of spraying chemicals, the crops are wrapped in rainbow nets. It sounds like farming meets Fashion Week, but in Japan, it's cutting-edge science. These colored nets are helping farmers outsmart pests, reduce pesticide use, and protect the land for future generations. Here's the science. Many insects navigate by sight. They see certain colors better than others. Aphids and whiteflies, they're obsessed with yellow. Some pests steer clear of blue or red. So when farmers stretch these colored nets over their crops, it works two ways. The net is a physical barrier, blocking insects from landing. The color itself messes with the insects' brains, confusing or even repelling them. It's like giving bugs the wrong address to the party. They show up, get confused, and fly off before they ruin the buffet. Now, here's where Japan takes things up a notch. In 2024, researchers tested red-colored insect nets on Welsh onions, known locally as Cujo leeks. The results were stunning. Even when the red nets had larger holes than the insects, they still blocked more pests than traditional white or black nets. Why? Because many insects barely see red light. Their vision is tuned to ultraviolet, blue, and green wavelengths. To them, red is like a blind spot, so the red nets act like an invisible shield. In real field tests, these red nets cut the need for pesticides by 25 to 50%. That's fewer sprays, lower costs, and healthier crops, all while keeping yields high. And because the mesh can be bigger, red nets also let in more airflow and sunlight. That means less risk of mold, less heat stress, and stronger plants. Think of it as sunglasses for crops, except instead of blocking glare, they block bugs from crashing the farm. Of course, no farming tool is perfect. Red nets can be more expensive up front. Some farmers worry about how they look. Imagine entire fields glowing red, and not every pest responds the same way. What confuses thrips in Japan might not bother caterpillars in Africa, but researchers are already working on next steps, combining colors, testing new materials, and even designing nets that look clear to humans but still mess with insect vision. It's farming innovation woven into every thread. So the next time you hear about rainbow nets in Japan, remember, it's not just about bright colors. It's about reducing chemicals, protecting biodiversity, and keeping farming sustainable for the next generation. At Ancestry Lands, we believe innovation like this is more than just science. It's a way to build legacy, protecting the land, our health, and creating generational wealth. Subscribe, like, and follow Ancestry Lands for more stories that help you build legacy through land.